Namaste students, welcome to A Mathematics class. In previous session we started a new chapter, that is linear equations in one variable. We discussed about introduction and also we studied how to solve the equation and also verification part also we discussed in the previous class. In previous class worksheet 1 first main over. Today's class I am going to continue worksheet 1 second main. Find the positive value of the variable for which the given equation is satisfied. Here you have to find the positive value of the variable. Whatever the variable x, y, z, you have to find the positive value and also you have to verify the equation. Okay. First one is 3 minus x square divided by 8 plus x square is equals to minus 3 by 4. In a textbook, instead of x square, they substitute the value y and simplified. Later again they substitute the value of x square. So here I am going to do directly. You can also follow that method also. I am going to do here directly without substituting the x square as y. Okay. First go for cross multiplication method. In cross multiplication method already we studied. First LHS part numerator multiply with the RHS part denominator and LHS denominator multiplied to the RHS numerator. Solution: 4 multiplied with 3 minus x square is equals to minus 3 multiplied with 8 plus x square. 4 3s are 12 minus 4x square is equals to 8 3s are 24 minus 24 plus into minus minus 3x square. Just multiply the number inside the bracket. In the next step, transposing the like terms. Here first transpose all the x square terms to the LHS and all the constant numbers to the RHS. Here minus 4x square keep here only. Minus 3x square take to this side, then minus sign changes to plus 3x square is equals to minus 24 write as it is. Here plus 12 converts into minus 12. Minus into plus minus 4 minus 3 you will get 1x square. Greater number sign minus 1x square, or you can write only simply minus x square is equals to minus into minus plus 24 plus 12 you will get 36. Greater number sign minus. Here x square value you want. Minus minus get cancels. You can cancel here also, or in the next step minus 36 divided by minus 1. There also I can do. Here I cancelled. Minus minus get cancelled. Remaining is 1x square. 1x square you can write x square. X square equal to 36. You want only x value. X is equals to square root of 36. Nothing but take square root on both sides. One step I will show here. X square is there here. Take square root on both sides. Then you will get square root x square is equals to 30 square root of 36. Square and square root get cancelled. X is equals to plus or minus 6. Square root of 36 is 6. 6 6 is 36. Why I wrote here plus or minus? I will show here in rough. Plus 6 into plus 6. What you will get? Plus into plus plus 6 6 are 36. If I take minus 6. Minus 6 into minus 6. Minus into minus plus 6 6 are 36. So the value of square root of 36 what you will get? Plus or minus 6. But here in question they are asking find the positive value of the variable. Nothing but you have to write the x value as positive. Only you have to consider positive value. Nothing but plus 6. What we got here? Variable answer. Nothing but x answer is 6. Now you have to check whether the 6 is correct or not, which satisfies the equation or right. verification. In verification, what question given, write as it is. 3 minus x square divided by 8 plus x square is equals to minus 3 by 4. Now, what variable value we got, that you have to substitute. Nothing but x value we got plus 6. Put x value is equals to 6. Consider LHS part. LHS. 3 minus x square divided by 8 plus x square. This is the LHS. So, wherever x is there, you have to write 6. 3 minus 6 square divided by 8 plus 6 square. 3 minus 6 6 are 36 divided by 8 plus 6 6 are 36. 36 minus 3 is 33. Greater number sign minus, divided by 36 plus 8 is 44 plus 44. Go for cancellation. 11 3s are 33, minus sign as it is. 11 4s are 44. Here we got minus 3 divided by 4. By considering LHS, we proved RHS. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. Hence verified. Second question. Y square plus 6 divided by 8y square plus 3 is equals to 1 by 5. Here same first question how we solve, same we have to solve. First step, go for cross multiplication. Multiply 5 into y square plus 6 is equals to 1 into 8 square plus 3. Next step, multiply 5 inside the bracket. 5 into y square, 5y square plus 5 6 are 30 is equals to 1 multiplied with any number, you will get same. Here write down 8y square plus 3 as it is. Now transpose the terms. 5y square plus 8 square take to the LHS side, it becomes minus 8y square is equals to, write as it is, plus 3 remains in the RHS, plus 30 take to the RHS side, it becomes minus 30. Plus into minus minus, 8 minus 5 is 3y square, greater number side minus, is equals to 30 minus 3, 27, greater number sign minus. Minus minus, both in LHS RHS minus sign get cancels. Y square is equals to 27 by 3. 3 ones are 3 nines are. Y square is equals to 9. Take square root on both sides. Y square is equals to square root of 9. Square and square root get cancelled. Y is equals to plus or minus 3. Square root of 3 is 3. Sorry, square root of 9 is 3. 3 3s are 9. Only you need positive value. Therefore, y value is equals to, consider only plus 3. Next step, go for verification. Verification, write down the question as it is. Here question what they given, write as it is. Y square plus 6 divided by 8y square plus 3 is equals to 1 by 5. Put y value what we got here, 3. Put y is equals to 3 in LHS. By considering LHS, substitute the y value is 3. LHS part is y square plus 6 divided by 8y square plus 3. Here instead of y what you have to write, 3. 3 square plus 6 divided by 8 into 3 whole square plus 3. 3 3s are 9 plus 6 divided by 8 into 3 3s are 9 plus 3. 9 plus 6 is 15 divided by 8 9s are 72. 72 plus 3 is 75. 15 ones are 15 5s are. Here we got 1 by 5. 1 by 5 what it is? We proved RHS. RHS is equals to 1 by 5. Therefore, LHS is equals to RHS. Hence verified. Question number 3. This question is important, children. Put star mark while solving in your classwork. Third question, x square minus 9 divided by 5 plus x square is equals to 5 by 9. Go for cross multiplication. 9 multiplied with x square minus 9 is equals to 5 into 5 plus x square. This is the first step. So multiply 9 inside the bracket. 9 into x square, 9x square minus 9 9s are 81 is equals to 5 5s are 25 plus 5 into x square, 5x square. Take all the x square terms to the LHS side. 9x square write as it is plus 5x square take to the LHS, it becomes minus 5x square is equals to 25 write as it is. This number take to the RHS side. Minus 81 converts into plus 81. 9 minus 5, 4x square is equals to 5 plus 1, 6, 10, 106. 25 plus 81 you will get 106. X square is equals to 106 divided by 4 because 4 is multiplied with x square. When you take to the RHS side, it becomes division. Now go for cancellation. 2 2s are 2 5s are 2 3s are. X square is equals to 53 by 2. X square value we got 53 by 2. 53 by 2 it is not a perfect square. Take square root on both sides. It becomes square root of x square is equals to square root of 53 by 2. Square root get cancelled. X value you will get plus or minus square root 53 by 2, right, as it is. You will get under root of 53 by 2. X value you will get plus or minus under root of 53 by 2 because it is not a perfect square. Now only you need x value is positive. So consider x value is only plus square root of 53 by 2. So this is our x value. Now substitute in the question for your verification. Write down verification. In verification, write question as it is. X square minus 9 divided by 5 by 9. Question as it is, write down. Put x value. What we got here? Plus 53 by square root of 53 by 2, or you can simply write square root of 53 by 2. Consider LHS. X square minus 9 divided by 5 plus x square. This is LHS. So wherever x is there, you have to write square root of 53 by 2. 53 by 2 whole square, x square is there, whole square minus 9 divided by 5 plus again x square value is square root of 53 by 2 whole square. Whole square. Carefully look at the board here. Square root and square get cancelled. In the denominator also square root and square get cancelled. Remaining in the numerator is 53 by 2 minus 9 whole divided by 5 plus 53 by 2. Numerator, simplify the numerator by taking 2 as the LCM. 2, 53 minus 2 9s are 18 whole divided by, again in the denominator 2 as the LCM, 5 2s are 10 plus 53 as it is. Eight minus 3, 5, 4 minus 1, 3, 35. Here 13 minus 8. 13 minus 8 is 5 only. 35 will get. 53 minus 18 will get 35. Divided by 2. Whole divided by 10 plus 53 is 63 divided by 2. 35 by 2 into division, change it into multiplication, then 60 by 2 write as reciprocal, 2 divided by 63, 2 get cancelled, 7 5s are 7 9s are 5 by 9, so 5 by 9. Here we proved RHS we got 5 by 9, therefore LHS is equals to RHS, hence verified. Last question from second main and also last question from worksheet 1 children. Fourth question, y square plus 4 divided by 3y square plus 7 is equals to 1 by 2. First step, go for cross multiplication. 2 into y square plus 4 is equals to 1 into 3y square plus 7. Multiply 2 inside the bracket. 2 into y square, 2y square plus 2 4s are 8 is equals to 3y square plus 7. 1 multiplied with 3y square plus 7, you will get same. Take all the y square to the LHS side. 2y square plus 3y square, when you take to the LHS side, it becomes minus 3y square is equals to 7, write as it is, plus 8 converts into minus 8. Here 2 minus 3 minus 1 y square, 2y square minus 3y square, you will get 1 greater number sign minus 1 y square is equals to, again plus into minus, minus 8 minus 7, you will get 1 greater number sign minus. Here minus minus get cancelled, y square, 1 y square or simply y square is same, y square is equals to 1. So y value, directly I am going to write y value is equals to plus or minus 1. Take square root on both sides. Square and square root get cancelled. Square root of 1 is 1 itself. Therefore y value we got plus or minus 1. Here only we are going to consider positive value, that is y is equals to plus 1. This is our variable value. You have to verify this answer. Write down verification. In verification, write down question, y square plus 4 divided by 3y square plus 7 is equals to 1 upon 2. Put y value. Put y value 1 plus 1 by considering LHS. Y square plus 4 divided by 3y square plus 7. Wherever y is there, you have to write 1. 1 square plus 4 divided by 3 into 1 square plus 7. 1 square value is 1. 1 into 1, 1 plus 4 write as it is. 3 into 1 square is 3 itself plus 7. You will get 4 plus 1 5 divided by 7 plus 3 10. 5 1s are 5 2s are. We got answer is 1 by 2. Here we proved RHS. RHS value is 1 by 2. Therefore LHS is equals to RHS, hence verified. This completes your worksheet 1. First main and second main completed.